Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. Today, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook some ital stew. I'm gonna use my lentil peas, I'm gonna use callaloo, otherwise dashi bush, and carrot. You understand all these? So guys, watch what go on in our kitchen. Also have some flour. So what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm gonna grate out the coconut. You understand all these? Yeah. Also, I have piece of rosemary. I don't know anything set up. I have seasoning knife, it said speed. So, guys, I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna grate up some coconut and we're gonna see what I go on. Guys, soon come back. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna grate up some coconut now. So, I go on. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna knead up the flour now. I'm gonna say, be a badness, guys. Ital stew. Yeah, guys. So, guys, I'm gonna make the flour go on set. Make me peas go on boil, and I'll see what I want in the kitchen. Be a badness. the things soon come back. Now make the peas go and boil. I show you what go on in the kitchen. You understand what I did? Yeah. Yeah guys, the peas are going to boil, you know. The peas cook. They put in the flour. Guys, just watch what go on in the kitchen. Ital stew, no meat. You understand what I did? Yeah. Yeah guys, so what I go do now, I go put in my dumpling them in my stew, in my ital. You understand what I did? Yeah. Yeah guys, ital stew. Some fat long dumpling. Yeah guys, so two flour left to go in a pot. Go and cut up some carrot and make them so all gone. You understand how I did? Yeah. So guys, when I go do now, I go cut up some carrot, make them so all gone. Be a badness in our kitchen today. Yeah guys, so over here so now I will leave the carrots and the collard make them go on in our kitchen. You understand how I did this, my collard, so watch what go on. Be a badness guys, I soon come back. Yeah guys, so I go wash him off and put him in a pot. You understand what I did? Yeah, soon come back. Be a badness guys. Guys, stay tuned for the finishing look on the ital stew. You understand what I did? Yeah. So the ground season them. You understand what I did on the pepper. Guys, soon come back. Yeah guys, so I put in my callaloo and my carrot. Guys, that one I have a bad, remember me tell you. Guys, no bag season. No bag season. So guys, I'm gonna make this go and cook down. And you can see the finishing look. I don't put in the ground season them yet, so just watch what I go on guys. Be a badness in our kitchen. So guys, I'm gonna put in the ground season and make him go and cook and just stay tuned for the finishing look. Don't know about badness going in our kitchen now with the guys. Ital guys, yeah, this is the finishing look. Ital stew. No meat, no bag season, my coconut juice, my ground season, my carrot and you don't know about this go guys. Yeah, see you in our next video. I'm out.